Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter the 12th, shlokas 13 to 20, translated from the original Sanskrit into English rhymed verse by Gurudev Sadhu Vaswani. The Blessed Lord said, "Who hateth none, from self is free, in pleasure pain has poised mind, and is compassionate and kind. My best beloved saint is he, who dedicateth unto me his mind and reason, is content, controlled, his life still in me blent. My best beloved saint is he, who harms no bird nor beast nor flea, and doth not feel disturbed here by any, and is freed of fear. My best beloved saint is he, who nothing wants, doth work for me, yet is from work detached, serene, well balanced, unperplexed, and clean. My best beloved saint is he, who fixed in faith and love on me, doth dote on me, yet scorneth none, and fruits of labour all doth shun. My best beloved saint is he, who is alike in pain and glee, in fame and shame, in cold and heat, to foe and friend in strength defeat. My best beloved saint is he, who bears blame, praise, is passion free, who homeless is and firm in mind, in silent love who life doth find. My best beloved saint is he. They who this nectar drink of me, and know the law that giveth life, and cling to faith away from strife, my best beloved saint is he. Om Tat Sat. Thus endeth chapter the 12th of the Bhagavad Gita, entitled Bhakti Yoga, or the Yoga of Devotion.
अंधियारे में प्राणपति, महर में तुम मुस्कुराते हो।
नभ के सूरज चांद तारों में तुम ही तुम चमकते हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे।
सुंदर प्यारे प्रभु हमारे, समुद्र से मोती लाते हो।
भक्तों के प्यारे सुंदरता में न्यारे, अद्भुत तेज की ज्योति हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे।
युग युग तेरी ज्योत जागे, हर युग में तेरी लीला पार हो।
कल युग में मज नाम नगारा, ये गिरधारी तुम अति सुंदर हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे।
अनंत लोक के नाथ तुम हो, कर जोर प्रणाम करता हूँ।
नूरी दर की दासी, दर्शन की प्यासी, तेरा गंगा जल रोज पीता रहूं।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। जय जगदीश हरे, 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 जय जगदीश हरे। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे।
Nuri Granth, page 865 865 ॾे सभिनी खे प्यार। हिकु ॻाल्हि प्यारा न विसार, हर हाल में ॾे सभिनी खे प्यार। रख यादि त हिकु हिकु जीव में अथई हिकु दाता, जो सभिनी जो आहे पित माता, सभिनी जो भ्राता। न उनजे रहम खां आहे को बि दूर, सभिनी में पियो चिमके हिकु उहो नूरानी नूर। जित वेही जित निहारी उत अथई दिल दिल जो होत, उत सदा पई चिमके उन एक जी जोत।
Give of your love to one and all. O dear one, never forget this one thing. In all circumstances, give of your love to one and all. Remember that in each and every being there abides He who is the father, mother, and brother of one and all. None is bereft of His grace and mercy, and in each and every one radiates His luster divine. Wherever you sit and wherever you look, you will find the beloved of each and every heart, and everywhere ever radiates His luster divine.
जय जय विठ्ठले हरि नारायण, पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरि नारायण, पुरंदर विठ्ठले हरि नारायण, हरि नारायण भजो नारायण, भजो नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण, श्रीमन्नारायण सत्यनारायण, सत्यनारायण गुरुनारायण। जय जय विठ्ठले हरि नारायण, पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरि नारायण, ओ हरि नारायण भजो नारायण, भजो नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण, श्रीमन्नारायण सत्यनारायण, सत्यनारायण गुरुनारायण। जय जय विठ्ठले हरि नारायण, पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरि नारायण, विठ्ठला हरि विठ्ठला, विठ्ठला हरि विठ्ठला, विठ्ठला हरि विठ्ठला, विठ्ठला हरि विठ्ठला। जय जय विठ्ठले हरि नारायण, हरि नारायण
श्रीमन्नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण सत्यनारायण सत्यनारायण गुरुनारायण जय जय विठ्ठले हरिनारायण विठ्ठला हरि विठ्ठला 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 जय जय विठ्ठले हरि नारायण पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरि नारायण पुरंदर विठ्ठले हरि नारायण हरि नारायण भज नारायण भजो नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण सत्यनारायण सत्यनारायण गुरुनारायण जय जय विठ्ठले हरि नारायण विठ्ठला हरि हरि विठ्ठला विठ्ठला हरि हरि विठ्ठला विठ्ठला हरि हरि विठ्ठला विठ्ठला हरि विठ्ठला 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 विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठला विठ्ठला
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः नमो नारायणाय हरिहर शशिशेखराय नमो नारायणाय हरिहर शशिशेखराय परब्रह्मानन्द गुरु परब्रह्मानन्द गुरु सच्चिदानन्द नन्द गुरु सच्चिदानन्द नन्द गुरु गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नंदलाला गोविन्द गोपाला कृष्ण जय मुरली मनोहर नन्दलाला जय मुरली मनोहर नन्दलाला कृष्ण गोविन्द गोविन्द गोपाल कृष्ण गोविन्द गोविन्द गोपाल कृष्ण गोविन्द गोविन्द गोपाल कृष्ण गोविन्द गोविन्द गोपाल जय मुरली मनोहर नन्दलाला जय मुरली मनोहर नन्दलाला बाल गोपाला प्यारे मुरारी मोरे नन्दलाला बाल गोपाला प्यारे मुरारी मोरे नन्दलाला 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 मोरे नन्दलाला नन्दलाला मोरे नन्दलाला नन्दलाला मोरे नन्दलाला बाल गोपाला प्यारे मुरारी मोरे नन्दलाला बाल गोपाला बाल गोपाला प्यारे मुरारी मोरे नन्दलाला प्यारे मुरारी मोरे नन्दलाला प्यारे मुरारी मोरे नन्दलाला प्यारे मुरारी मोरे नन्दलाला प्यारे मुरारी मोरे नन्दलाला
We live in an age of science. Man has probed the secrets of the atom. He has measured the depths of the sea. He has unraveled the mysteries of his body and mind. Yet is he confused as to his own real being and purpose. He is faced by a terrible loneliness because he has identified himself with his body or the body-mind complex. He has forgotten that he is essentially an immortal soul. He has wandered outside of himself. He has not learned how to look within. The way to look within is the way of meditation. Today we shall try to perform what I love to call the meditation of 6 steps. Step number 1. Sit comfortably. Sit upright. Make sure you are free from any tension or restriction. Let nothing disturb you. No pressing business, no anxiety, no worry or fear. Switch off all tension for a while. Now relax, relax, relax. Let your body be at ease. Keep your eyes closed. Try not to breathe through the mouth. Try to breathe normally through your nose. And let your face wear a smile. Smile, smile all the while. Now inhale and exhale deeply and evenly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Step number 2. Detach yourself from the mind and the body. Detach completely and observe the play of thoughts in the mind. Keep on saying to yourself, I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am an observer. Detach. Detach. You are not the body, nor are you the wandering mind. Say to yourself, I am that. I am beyond both the body and the mind. We now move on to the third step. It is a beautiful step that takes you on to a state of serenity and peace. Visualize yourself as a rock, steady, stable, rooted to its place, unmoving, unwavering. Imagine that you are a rock in the midst of an ocean. Waves arise, dash all around the rock. The waves are the distracting thoughts that come to you. They dash against the rock, but the rock is unaffected, unmoved. calm, tranquil, peaceful, serene. It stays rooted. Memories from the past now rise up like more waves from the ocean. Some of them are sweet, some of them are not so sweet, but I will not let them affect me. Don't pay attention to your breathing. Don't watch the movements of the mind. You have only to imagine that you are a rock in the midst of an ocean, unaffected by anything that may have happened, unaffected by anything that may happen. You are like a rock in the midst of an ocean, calm, tranquil, peaceful, serene, calm, tranquil, peaceful, serene. We now come to the fourth step. It is the step of realizing my oneness with all that is, all human beings, all creatures, all birds, all animals, fish and fowl, insects, even mosquitoes, all trees and shrubs and plants. I am one with them all. I am in the lowliest of the low, in the poorest of the poor. I am in the meanest of the mean, in the most wretched, the most miserable. I am in Him. He is not apart from me. I am in all. I am in all. I am in all. How can I kill anyone? How can I criticize anyone? How can I judge anyone? How can I think ill of anyone? I am in all that is. What a wonderful feeling, this. No one is apart from me. Everyone, everything is a part of me, for I am the universal self. Tat Tvam Asi. I am that. I am that. I am not the physical body that I have worn during this period of earth incarnation. I am that. I am that. I am that, the universal self. By now, your breathing has become deep. Be relaxed. See that your spine is straight. See that there is no tension in the muscles around your eyes and around your mouth. See that there is no tension in the muscles of your legs. Relax. 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 And now we come to the fifth step. If I am in all, if I have realized my oneness with all, there is no death for me. I can never die. It is only when I feel I am restricted to this physical body that I live in fear of death. Now I can challenge death. Death, you cannot touch me. You can take away this physical body, but I am in all. So long as there is one human being alive on earth, I am alive. So long as there is one creature that breathes the breath of life, I am alive. So long as there is a leaf fluttering in the wind, I am alive. So long as dewdrops drench flowers, I am alive. In the showers, in the western breeze, in the fragrance of flowers, in the song of the birds, I am alive. I can never die. I have never died. I am eternal. I am immortal. I am immutable. I am deathless. I am in every ray of sunshine, in every drop of rain, in every grain of sand. Say to yourself, I am one with all that is. And now we come to the final step, the sixth step, the step in which we breathe out love and goodwill and peace to all. I love you all. I love you all. Let that aspiration come out of the very depths of my heart. In the measure in which I give love to others, love will flow back to me, and I will always have plenty of love to give to everyone who meets me. Love all in the northern countries, in the southern countries, in the western countries, in the eastern countries. I love everyone. I love you. I love you. And I pray that you all may be happy, full of peace and bliss. And now must come the final benediction. May all without exception be free from disease, free from ignorance, free from sorrow. And now, as you get up from this meditation, many of you will feel that you yourself are happy, full of peace and bliss. Now let us rub the palms of our hands together, place them gently on the eyelids, and gently, very, very gently, open the eyes. That is the end of this inner journey, the meditation of 6 steps. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.